Another day, another gala na naman tayo. So we are going back to Manila because it's our holiday and we're gonna visit our family. I'm gonna be there for like 2 weeks, so let's go. Yan na naman siya, nabuto siya ng Givenchy powder, but oh well. So we are flying Philippine Airlines today kasi there's a direct flight from Perth to Manila. Low-key, finiflex ko lang tong nails ko. I don't know ba kung bagay ba siya, but what do you think, guys? So first things first, nag-breakfast muna tayo dito sa airport. Medyo maharlika yung food niya ha, around about $30 to, pero masarap naman. Kasi public holiday kaya may mga surcharge. But anyway, yeah. Grabe guys, sobrang bilis lang ng flight time. Like, natulog lang ako and then pagdating ko nandun ako sa Manila. And super enjoy ko tong mala teleserye itong video safety ng PAL. And just like that, we are flying na. So, sa flight naman wala masyadong nanood lang ako ng Harry Potter because why not? I love Harry. And then, chicken or beef, charot. So, obviously, chicken ang pinili natin kahit hindi nakakaganda tong angle na to. So, ayan, just like that, nasa Manila International Airport na tayo. And welcome home to me, myself, and I. Grabe guys, sobrang init, sobrang humid. Feel na feel ko talagang nasa Manila na ako. And summer nga pa lang ngayon. Ayan, it was my dad and my brother and my mom who picked me up from the airport. So ayan, daanan lang natin si JP Rizal and then konting sightseeings lang tayo before our first stop, which is Charan, Mang Inasal for the cravings. So we're here at SM San Lazaro. Etong palabok na to, hindi ko talaga to nakain kasi kinain to ni Miggy. But anyway, it's fine. So ayan yan, damihan mo pa yung chicken oil. Sige, malapit ka na kay Lord. Charot. And then you're gonna put your soy sauce and obviously you have to have your calamansi and toyo with chili on the side. After that, syempre for the grocery na tayo kasi baka walang laman yung fridge. So after nyan, the next day, we are here at Malabon, which is my hometown. I-visit nyo tong siomayan namin sa labas lang ng bahay namin. It's around General Luna Street. Kung taga Malabon kayo, bilhin na kayo dyan. Anyway, ayan. So my mom is selling siomay and black gulaman. And I've got soda water from SM. Charot. Ayan, so I got the siomay rice kasi hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast niya. And ang mahal ng bayad ko dito kasi syempre keep the change. Charot lang. So we're gonna start our Malabon food trip. So the next one is this Tesis Kikiam and this is really one of my favorites. Actually, pinapambaon ko nga to noon eh. And then dumaan din kami sa Valerianos but yung store na katabi noon, which is the same lang naman yung may-ari. So bumili lang yung dad ko ng merienda. So ayan, waffle dog siya. And then ako, bumili ako ng sotanghon and halo-halo kasi sobrang init, you guys. Next stop is Arnie Dading's Peachy Peachy. And this is my favorite Peachy Peachy ever. You have to try it if you're going to Malabon. Ayun, so gabi na nagpamassage ako and then nag-isaw-isaw and barbecue ako after massage. Ayan. So the next day, prank time kasi uuwi ng aking kapatid na si Rafael.
Ang baho ko na kanina pa ako nag-aantay.
Iyak kasi, mami.
Ako nag-aantay.
Wala. Uy, ano ang sabi mo? Na-surprise ka ba?
Taba mo. Iyak ko si mami.
No, umiiyak na si mami.
Wala.
Mom. Dad. Iggy. Rafael. Mia.
was a successful prank, you guys. And super sarap ng food dito sa Manam. It's actually my go-to talaga. And first time nga pala ng parents ko dito, kaya treat ko sila. Super, super giving yung ensaladang mangga and this crispy sisig. After kumain, mag-check-in kami dito sa Okada cause why not? And ayan, nasa Okada, Manila na kami. And we got the family suite. And ayan, makikita nyo, you guys, wait lang. I booked this one sa Klook. It's around about, I think mga 13K siya, pero sulit na yon. Ayan, so here's what it looks like sa inside. Do you want a house tour? Charot lang. So yan, meron siyang lounge area and then you have 2 single beds and a king size bed sa loob. And may malaking ensuite and also a separate CR sa dyan lang, sa gilid-gilid. So at dahil bawal matulog, umakit kami dito sa pool area. Ayan. Sobrang have naman, relax. Yun nga lang, hindi ko masyadong aesthetic yung pool. Sorry Okada, but honest review lang. Medyo maraming tao. Hindi siya nakaka-exclusive. But anyway, carry lang naman. Chillax lang kami dyan. Look at my parentals. Kala mo siya, nagsa-sunbathing. Ayan, this is my favorite part, the sunset in Manila Bay. As you can see, medyo tarik pa, pero later on, perfect yan, perfect. Ayan, perfect magmuni-muni, charot. Ayan, and then after nyan, tinuloy-tuloy ko na ang pagliligo ko dito sa bathtub kasi ang ganda-ganda niya and it's giving. Grabe pala dito sa Okada, sobrang laki na nakakahingal. Pagod na yung parents ko maglakad and we're gonna go for dinner na. And actually at this point, busog pa kami kasi we had big lunch but carry bells. Shock. Hi guys, we are here at Red Spice and ordered this lychee. Lychee something. Actually, kay Rafael to. Titikman ko. And then, we have this appetizer. Some salted pepper veggies. Kasama ako dito ng dalawang senior citizens of the world. Ano masasabi mo sa Okada? Ano masasabi mo sa Okada? Ano masasabi mo sa Okada?
Maganda.
Enjoy ka ba?
Enjoy so much.
What about you? What about your dad?
Okay.
Message mo para kay Rafael.
Rapen? Wala si Rapen ha, manis. Flattered kami.
Where's our iced tea? Eat.
Hi.
Guys, we need to nagawa ko pa mag-video sa lagay na to, nakulong nga ako for like 20 minutes. Medyo kinabahan ako ng slide. Anyway, thank you Rafael for all my Japan goodies. Love it. So after nyan, hindi na ako nag-breakfast the next day kasi hindi pa ako nakaka-recover sa aking pagsusuka. And then, we're heading home na. Merong little, buggy papunta sa parking. After nyan, nag-photoshoot kami sa A Studios in Caloocan kasi ito yung malapit sa bahay. Ayan. Super chill lang, you guys. And first time ng family ko mag-self-photoshoot. And ako din ba ata? Yeah. So, ito yung mga package nila. Actually, quite affordable na siya and I really love it. The picture turns out so nice and syempre hindi ka maiilang kasi ikaw lang ang tao sa loob ng studio and you just hawak the remote, you know? After this one, another gala, another day with my cousins from Ilocos. Hi, Paige and Sam. Welcome back to the vlog. Ayan, so we're here at Tipsy Pig, inuman and bonding with the cousins. And actually, guys, this is the most elevated Tokwat Baboy that I had. I loved it so much. After that, nag-billiards lang tong mga Gen Zs because, you know, I don't do billiards.
Hindi namin marinig.
After karaoke, nagutom tayo, so Mama Leng's Tapsies. The next evening, we are having our family dinner in Mandarin Sky. As you can see, ang daming food, you guys. Actually, it's a family tradition since my great-grandfather pa, and I actually continue the tradition. So, every time na uuwi ako, meron akong paganito. May pa-dinner ako sa family ko. And, ayan, medyo madaming food kasi nasanay kami ng ganyan. So, ayan, spoil lang naman ng everyone, especially my lola. Hi, Lola, and my lolo as well here. Hello, I miss you guys, love you. And syempre, dyan yung mga kapatid ko and my cousins and my tito. And hi, Ansel, new addition to our family. Ayan, ayan ang foodings. Ayan, this is my cousin, napaka-arting cousin. But anyway, the next day, nag-food trip lang kami ni Rafael kasi last day na niya, Paris and grocery lang sa SM. After this one, we went to Tagaytay for one last road trip. Of course, for breakfast, we had Jollibee, because why not? Kala nyo walang Jollibee, but yeah. And we have hot chocolate for drinks and this puto and bibingka. So, quick stop lang dito sa subdivision na we used to own a house here but not anymore. Ayan. And then, here's the Taal Lake and volcano. For lunch, we went to Rosario, and actually, this is surprisingly good and I highly recommend this restaurant. The aesthetic is giving, it's for the family, the price is quite reasonable, and I love the ambience, and it's overlooking the Taal Lake as well. And obviously, I enjoyed the food.
Video!
Ayan, so may sisig na naman tayo, you guys, but di mawawala yan. And this crispy tawilis, I'm so excited to try that. But this is my winner, the caldereta. I love it. Everything is actually pretty good, and I would highly recommend this restaurant for you and your family. So, gala naman with cousin. Stay ako kay Lahana for about a day, overnight lang sa BGC. And ayan, nag-try kami ng many different Japanese restaurants because tinatamad na kaming lumabas. But yeah, feeling ko nga nasa Japan ako neto kasi super yakiniku and then this Hamburg steak or whatever. But yeah, I actually enjoyed it. Grabe guys, sobrang dami na palang restaurants sa Pinas and especially sa BGC area, super daming Japanese restaurants na masarap din. And obviously, I highly recommend you guys visiting BGC because it is really a must visit. And maraming masasarap na food and shops as well. For dessert, we went to Lingerie. This one is giving France, fancy, pink, macarons. For me, okay lang siya. You guys, new discovery. Yakiniku like is the best that I have tried like so far. I mean, look at the cut of the meat and I love how you can grill your barbecue na ganyan and hindi siya makala. Oh my God, look at this. I'm struggling to open this drink, but yeah. And this one is Pearl Room and it's super good, you guys. Must visit. For our cultural day, gulat kayo na may paganyan ako. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Intramuros and I'm with Michelle and Lyra. So this In Cafe and Bar is actually a cafe that rents out Filipiniana or traditional Filipino-inspired outfits for like 2 hours. Ayan, photo booth lang after and then that's it. For this matcha, I actually like it because it's super smooth and lasa mo talaga yung matcha. And this one is in Makati. Medyo madami lang yung pila but it's worth it. For my last leg, I actually went on a whim and had a staycation at Hilton Newport. Because wala lang, why not? Because gusto natin mag-relax and chill. Ayan, I'm really impressed with the hotel. I like it. And the pool area is so nice. And they've got a bar inside the pool. Like, who does that? And after that, the quick drink lang ako dito sa Whiskey Library. It's giving exclusive. And yan, breakfast lang kami. And then, bath time for the night. Ayun, ang masasabi ko lang, thank you so much for watching the video, you guys. Kung nandito pa kayo, please like and subscribe. Alam ko hindi ako masyado nagpo-post, but better late than later. Ayan, so, nagmabuhay lounge nga pala ako for chill-chill lang. To experience lang. Mga 3K yan, pero worth it naman. Okay nang matry. Thank you. Bye!